Hello all and welcome back. In this video, I will be starting a new chapter related to automobile engineering. There are different kinds of systems in an automobile vehicle, just like ignition system, lighting system, air conditioning system, and so on. Among these, braking system is one of the most important system. The chapter that we are going to study is the braking system. And now to define what is a brake. A brake is a mechanical device which absorbs energy from the moving part of the vehicle and slows down because of the friction. Most of the brakes commonly use friction between two surfaces pressed to convert that kinetic energy into heat that is dissipated from the moving wheels. And almost all the vehicles with wheel have some sort of brakes. The luggage bag which you carry has brakes. The shopping cart which we take in the malls has brake. Even some aircrafts are designed with air brakes just to reduce the speed of the flight. And now the braking system in an automobile can be majorly classified into these following categories: hydraulic braking system, air braking system, disc brakes, drum brakes, mechanical brakes, and so on. So we will be discussing each one of its working in deep now. To understand how a hydraulic brake works, we should be aware of Pascal's law too. Let's move into this animation and understand in a better way. Firstly, we will understand about Pascal's law. Generally, oil multiplies the forces in the process. Let us consider this simple arrangement as shown. There will be two pistons fitted inside the glass cylinders and both are connected through a pipe which is filled with oil. So now when you apply pressure on one piston, it exerts the same amount of pressure on the second piston. The advantages of this kind of hydraulic system are that these two cylinders can be of any length and any shape, which allows it to choose the path which is separating the two pistons, and it multiplies the force applied. This is very important. Now let us see the working of hydraulic braking system. One end of the pipelines is connected to master cylinder, wherein master cylinder is connected to foot pedal, and the other end of the pipelines are connected to wheel cylinders as shown. There will be two pistons acting at the end of the cylinders. Let us say this as P1 and P2. If you carefully observe, the area of cross section of master cylinder is small when compared to the area of cross section of wheel cylinders. And now when the force is applied on the pedal, what happens? We'll just see it again now. When you apply pressure through the help of this foot pedal, the fluid from master cylinder exerts pressure on the pipeline, and the fluid then exerts the pressure on the two pistons, wherein in return these two pistons exerts force on the rim of the wheel, which retards the speed of the vehicle. When you release the pedal, so again the fluid will flow back from the wheel cylinders to the master cylinder. So this is the working of hydraulic braking system. I hope you have understood. So in the next class, I'll be discussing more about the further classified braking systems. So stay tuned. Thank you.